Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to learn you how to crochet a beautiful flower coaster. For this coaster all you need to do is only chaining and double crochet. If you're ready, let's get started. Start with a magic ring, wrap the yarn around two fingers to form an X and then insert the hook on the first loop and pull next loop through and remove the fingers. Now chain 3 as a double crochet and then chain 1. Yarn over, insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. This is a double crochet, then chain 1. Again, go to the magic ring and make 1 double crochet and then 1 chain. Again, make 1 double crochet into the ring, 1 chain. 1 double crochet into the ring and 1 chain, and repeat this sequence until the number of double crochets become 12. Okay, now pull the yarn tightly to close the ring, and after last double crochet make a chain and then insert the hook into third chain of 4 chains of beginning of this round and make a slip stitch. Okay, for next round chain 3 and make a double crochet into chain 1 space here, then chain 1, then go to next chain 1 space here and make 2 double crochets, 1 and 2, chain 1, go to next chain 1 space and make 2 double crochets, 1 and 2 and chain 1, and repeat this sequence until the end. I make 2 double crochets into each chain 1 space and then chain 1. At the end, insert the hook into third chain of beginning chains and make a slip stitch. Now for next round, go to next double crochet and make a slip stitch, and then go to next chain 1 space and make a slip stitch into that. And I want to start round 3 from here, 1 2 3 chains as first double crochet and then make 2 double crochets into same chain 1 space, 1 and 2. Now I have 3 double crochets, then chain 1 and skip these 2 double crochets and go to chain 1 space and make 3 double crochets, 1 2 and 3. Again, chain 1, go to next chain 1 space and make 3 double crochets, 1 2 and 3, and chain 1, and repeat this sequence until the end. I make 3 double crochets into each chain 1 space and then chain 1. Okay, at the end of third row make a slip stitch into third chain of beginning chains and then cut the yarn. I want to start next round with new color. Make a slip knot with new color and then go to chain 1 space of third round here and attach the next yarn and start round 4 from here. Chain 3 as a double crochet and then make 3 double crochets into same chain 1 space, 1 2 and 3. Now I have 4 double crochets into first chain 1 space, then chain 1 and go to next chain 1 space and make 4 double crochets here, 1 2 3 and 4. Chain 1 and go to next chain 1 space and make 4 double crochets here, 1 2 3 and 4. Chain 1 and repeat this sequence for other chain 1 spaces. I make 4 double crochets into each of them, then chain 1. At the end, go to third chain of beginning chains and make a slip stitch and then cut the yarn, and I want to continue my work with first yarn. Make a slip knot with first yarn and go to space between second double crochet of one of groups and third double crochets here, and attach the yarn. Chain 5 and go to next chain 1 space and make a slip stitch. Again, chain 5 and go to space between second double crochet and third double crochet here and make a slip stitch. Again, chain 5 and make a slip stitch into next chain 1 space, chain 5 and make a slip stitch between second and third double crochet, chain 5 and make a slip stitch into next chain 1 space and repeat this sequence until the end. At the end, go to first space here and make a slip stitch, and then go to first chain 5 space and make a slip stitch here. I want to start next round from here. Chain 3 as a double crochet and then make 7 double crochets into this chain 5 space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now I have 8 double crochets into first chain 5 space. Then go to next chain 5 space here and make a slip stitch. Again, go to next chain 5 space and make 8 double crochets here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then go to next chain 5 space and make a slip stitch here. And repeat this sequence. Make 8 double crochets into next, make a slip stitch into next. Repeat this sequence until the end. At the end, slip stitch into last chain 5 space and then slip stitch into third chain of beginning chains and then cut the yarn. And now my beautiful flower coaster is ready. I hope this video will be useful for you. If you like that, please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Have a nice day.